So how to compute the percentage and table of classification, or the TOS. Just number of days, 6. So this is aralin 1. Number of days is 6 days, and then yung total of this taught is 27. So 6 divided by 27 is equals to 0.2, and then times or multiply by 100. So this is the percentage for aralin 1, 22. Next, we have here for aralin 2, 8. Number of days for aralin 2 is 8, and then divided by 27, the total of the days or number of days taught. Ayan, so multiply by 100 is equals to 29.62. So since 6 to, i-round off natin. Magiging 30 siya. Next, for aralin 3, 2 multiplied by 27 is equals to 54. Multiply, 2 multiplied, divided by 27 is equals to 0.07 times 100 is equals to 7.4. 7% lang siya dito. Next, 5 divided by 27, 0.18 multiply by 100, 18.5, 19, round off natin since 18.5 na siya. And for aralin 5, 4 divided by 27 is equals to 0.14 multiplied by 100 is equals to 14.8 or 15%. And for our last aralin 6, last topic aralin 6, which is 2%. So same lang nung kanina, 7% nandito, 7%. Now let's get the total of the percentage. 22 plus 30 plus 7 plus 19, 15, 19 plus 15 plus 7 is equals to 100. Ayan na yung total na percentage, 100%.